Imagine typing one sentence and getting a complete, professional film in 10 minutes. Not rough footage, not a collection of clips, a full-length film with consistent characters, coherent story, professional editing, synchronized audio, and quality control, all automated. That's Zopia, the world's first AI film agent. It's not just a video generator, it's a complete AI production system. A director agent orchestrates your entire creative pipeline. One idea becomes a structured, watchable film.
Okay. Just like this, you gotta pinch the edges together.
Let's walk through how to create like a professional studio using just your imagination. Go to Zopia AI and click Start for free. You're now inside your personal AI film studio. On the left side, there's a text box. This is where you describe your creative idea using natural language. Keep it natural. You're not writing technical parameters. You're pitching a story. Here's an example. Instead of describing shots and characters separately, you write something like, a female protagonist who was reborn 15 days before the end of the world. She sees the future coming, sells everything, stockpiles supplies, and builds a fortress. When extreme cold arrives at -80 degrees, the entire city freezes. Her ex and her former best friend come begging for survival. That's natural storytelling. You're describing story premise, character relationships, emotional tone, everything a filmmaker needs to understand your vision. The director agent reads that one paragraph and understands the entire narrative arc, character dynamics, and thematic weight. This is semantic intelligence. This is film-grade understanding, not keyword matching. Before the director agent starts generating, you configure basic creative settings. First, select your creation language, English, Chinese, Japanese, or other languages. Zopia handles them all. Second, choose your generation workflow. You have two options. Smart Multi-Shot generates automatic video storyboards from your script. Single Shot, image to video, takes storyboard images and creates motion video. Most creators use Smart Multi-Shot to let the director agent plan the entire sequence. Third, set your aspect ratio. 16:9 for cinema or YouTube. 9:16 for TikTok and Reels. Fourth, choose your visual style. Realistic for live-action cinematography. Japanese anime for manga-style narratives. Pixar 3D for stylized animation. American 2D for cartoons. Each style changes the entire aesthetic while keeping story and character intact. Think about the power here. You describe one story. The director agent can generate it as photorealistic film, as anime, as 3D animation, as 2D cartoon. Same narrative, completely different visual treatment. You test multiple genres instantly. This is how you discover which aesthetic works for your story. Once you click Generate, the director agent starts working. Behind the scenes, multiple specialized agents collaborate instantly. It's not sequential, it's parallel processing. While the story agent is breaking your narrative into shot sequences, the character design agent is creating visual designs for your protagonist, antagonist, and supporting cast. The world-building agent is constructing environments, the fortress, the frozen city, the interior spaces, all happening simultaneously. Within seconds, you see initial creative assets appear on your canvas. A script outline. The director agent has structured your single-sentence idea into properly formatted screenplay with scenes, dialogue, character actions, and stage directions. Character concept art. Visual designs for each role, ensuring consistency from first appearance to final scene. Scene concept art. Detailed visual references for every location in your story. Here's the critical part. After each generation round, Zopia asks for your feedback in a chat interface. You see the proposed assets on the main canvas. You can confirm them as is, or you can modify. You might say, make Rose more punk aesthetic, less femme fatale. Or, the fortress needs more industrial steel, less marble luxury. Or, this scene needs darker lighting, more cinematic dread. You provide direction. The director agent adjusts. It's collaborative, not dictatorial. You have full creative control at every step. Once creative elements are locked, characters designed, visual style confirmed, story structure approved, The director agent generates the preliminary storyboard. Click Storyboard in the left sidebar. You see dozens of shot panels. Each panel shows scene description, shot details, character actions and dialogue, full resolution image or video preview. This isn't rough concept art. These are detailed storyboard panels with production-grade composition, cinematography, and character consistency. The composition agent made directorial decisions about framing, wide establishing shots, medium close-ups on emotional moments, over-the-shoulder dialogue exchanges, low-angle power shots. Each shot purposefully composed to tell the story with visual sophistication. Character consistency across all shots is automatic. That protagonist you designed in step 3, same face, same clothing, same expression continuity. The character agent maintained her identity across dozens of shots, spanning the entire narrative. This is the holy grail of AI filmmaking. Humans used to spend weeks re-rolling AI images, manually checking that characters stayed consistent. The director agent handles it as a system requirement, not a post-production nightmare. You can edit any storyboard panel, click on a shot, and modify the description. Change this close-up to a wide shot. Add a second character to this scene. Brighten the lighting. The director agent regenerates that single panel, maintaining consistency with the rest of the storyboard. Fine-grained control over your entire visual plan. Now you move to the final production phase. Click Timeline in the left sidebar. The director agent automatically imports all your storyboard assets into a professional editing timeline. Each shot is positioned chronologically. Durations are set based on dialogue and scene pacing. Transitions are inserted between scenes. It's a complete rough cut, automatically assembled. But here's where the automation shows its power. The AI editing agent refines this rough cut. It trims shots to optimal lengths. It paces scenes for dramatic impact. It auto-generates QA checks. If character continuity breaks between shots, the agent flags it and regenerates that shot. Audio-visual sync agent handles soundtrack and sound design. It matches pacing to music. It layers sound effects. Voice acting is processed for proper levels and mixing. You're not watching the timeline passively. You can trim clips. You can adjust duration. You can add transitions manually. You can override automatic decisions. The timeline is your final production tool. Most creators find the auto-edited version needs minimal tweaking. But for full creative control, every element is editable. And here's a feature made for scale: multi-episode support. In the top left corner, you can create your next episode directly. No switching between projects. One workspace for your entire series. You're building episode 1. You want to test episode 2? Create it in the same canvas. Manage your entire narrative series in one seamless workflow. This is how you scale from single videos to full-length series. Zopia just launched Stardust 2.0, a major upgrade optimized for long-form video and live-action cinematography. More natural character movement, more expressive performances. Cinematography that looks like professional filming, not AI generation. It's designed to integrate perfectly with upcoming models like Cdance 2.0. This means as new AI video models improve, Zopia gets better without you changing your workflow. One final feature that changes everything: OpenClaw integration. You can bring AI agents directly into Zopia for 24/7 automated production. Select AI agent instead of human. Enable automated productivity. Your AI generates films around the clock while you sleep. Create 1, 2, 5 narratives per day. One creator, infinite film output. From one idea to finished film in 10 minutes. Full creative control at every step. Consistency maintained automatically. Professional editing built in. Audio sync included. Multi-episode support for series. 24/7 AI agents for infinite scaling. This is Zopia. This is the future of filmmaking. Go to Zopia.ai, click Start for free, and create your first film today.